Hi, good afternoon. Steve Saperstein. I'm running for City Council in District 48 here in Southern Brooklyn. It includes neighborhoods of Brighton Beach, Manhattan Beach, Sheepshead Bay, Homecrest, Midwood, Madison. This is such an important election for our city. We're coming out of a COVID pandemic. We need the community. I'm reaching out to the Pakistani community. I've been here on the ground since day one here before the election. No asking for nothing, only helping. And that's what elected officials are supposed to do. Coming out, being there for the community, helping our children, helping our parents, helping our grandparents. On June 22nd, we have a big election. It's going to be for City Council and all the major offices, including mayor. I'm asking the community who I am standing by to give you a voice. Having a voice in communication is so important, to come out on June 22nd to rank Steve Saperstein #1 for City Council. We have a lot of issues. I want to help. I know the community will help put me over the top. So I'm asking you from my heart, please come out and vote in support so we can come together. We have so much hate. Right now, they're trying to divide us, and we're all going to come together, and we're going to be strong for our children, our schools, our parents. I'm asking everyone to please come out and vote and rank me Steve Saperstein #1 on June 22nd. Thank you.